So, hello guys, you are welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI, right? Currently ranked at 162 with a market cap of about $194 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $32 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis, and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So for some of you that has been following us as regards YFI, you know we have been very bullish on YFI. We had been expecting a huge push to the upside, and we had been saying we want to see prices push above this 200 EMA. This blue line right here, or this blue EMA, was our 200 EMA, and as you can see we have broken above, which means we are very bullish, and from there, as you can see, we have pushed up a whopping 15%. So congratulations for everybody getting YFI. So what is my targets, right? My targets for YFI for the month of October are two targets, right? First is the 6,331, and our next target is the 7,420. Those are our targets for the month of October, right? So as you can see, we are seeing this huge consolidation. We are expecting some sort of huge impulsive push to the upside that will see us go around 27% right there for YFI, and that would give us a price of about 7,429. Those are targets for October. If we are not able to get to the 7,000 reach, then minimum we should get to is the 6,331 right there for YFI, right? So that is what we're expecting for the month of October. As you can see, we are still bullish. We have pushed above all our EMAs, which means prices are still very bullish. If we basically just look at the volume profile, as you can see, though momentum has shifted in favor of the bears, we are seeing huge selling going on, but as you can see, price is still having that sideways action, right? This is forming some sort of a bull flag, and if we see this bull flag materialize, we could see that huge push or impulsive push right there to the $7,420 level. So that is the analysis right here for YFI. We are still bullish on YFI, and minimum we are expecting is this 6,331, right? And our price target for October is the 7,420, right? So that's the analysis for YFI for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we give you updates on the YFI on a daily basis. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.